Ah, in this IBC 4 bedroom and suite standard in US that we are working on. So this particular video, we have done a lot of work. So this is the floor plan. If you are joining us for the first time, this is how far we have gone. So all you just need to do is to subscribe, and you continue to follow up and put on a notification, so every time we put out the video you'll be able to get it and proceed from there. Develop yourself this 4 bedroom bungalow design. They have 2 living room and 1 and 2 guest room, a bedroom. That so you can imagine this design is very unique. You can make use of it, convert it later to different kind of apartments of your choice. So the forensic is being dictated right from beginning. Now let us go to the order of the day, which is the at least a little bit of landscaping of all the environment. So I'm going to click on this and say edit. So in the edit now, I will click on foundation. So the foundation, I'm going to make use of all this. So I'm going to click on this and say edit. Since they have the same level, so I don't have any topo surface imbalance, so I just have to focus on that. So I'm going to say this aspect is going to be like this. So I think that front is only what I need to work on. So the next is this grasses. So now I'm going to say edit, follow the same pattern, but this time around I'm going to do a little bit. Okay, let me just draw it, then later reset it a bit. So sorry for those one that have gone beyond normal line. So I'm going to say offset. So offset we are going to do here is going to be 150. So without copy, remember that. So you can do the same thing here, but leave this outside part. So now you go back to this 3D and see this is how this looks. It's not an end to its own self, so we still need to work on some beautiful landscaping around the whole area. So I left this side like this because another property that's going to occupy this place, so my focus is going to be on the left side. So now I will go back to this place and say, for this purpose, I'm going to create another extrusion. So this time around I'm going to be in this level, creating this. So you understand. So I'm going to finish. So but before I proceed, let me quickly assign a material, aluminum 2, but duplicate that and go back to graphics and select this and pick up the appearance that I want. So I'm going to go here. So I'm going to go to site work. Now I don't like what I'm seeing here, but I can pick any material of my choice no matter what the case may be, because I'm still going to choose the part in which I want in that interlock. So let me say there is no interlock anything here. Okay, but let me just check another. So let's go to miscellaneous and see for ourselves whether there is something different. There is nothing different as well. So I'm going to go to stucco. There is nothing to go back there. Mastery, there's nothing to go. I just come to miscellaneous and open this void. So I'm going to come to gemstone. I think all these materials are not what I needed, so I will have to leave completely and move on to the next thing. So I'm going to go to fabric and let me just use this block. I think this one will serve me a little better. So I'm going to change this parameter by changing the size, increase the size to something like 10,000. I want it to be wider, 10,000, then 10,000. I think it's okay for me. Click OK. So I have this in place. So let me just check the diameter. I think to be okay. So what I now need to do is to say edit. So edit extrusion as well. Now copy from here. So you pick from points to points. So I'll just like, let me just double the work so that I will not be delaying myself. Just copy. So you copy here. Understand now. So you do it double level. It's more faster. So like that, rather than picking it one after the other. So if it's extended, remove it. So but click finish and see what we have here. It is not over yet. So this is how this one looks like. So now what you do, you reduce the height. So I'm going to reduce the height to 70. So it come down. So this is how far it looks like. So you get now. So this is it, the landscaping part. So I'm going to work on this and use it inside as well. So now I'm going to say edit, and I'm going to go back inside there. So what will I do? The part in which I'm going to follow is this part alone. So it's just like a trace. Okay. So from there now you pick from this part and stop it here. Put another one. So it's not over. Now you select the three. Then you start doing the needful. Okay. So now we have this in place. This is not done. So we are going to make sure you do something funny here as well. So you say copy from here, give a space, and you put it here. So you get, then you do the same thing here too. Good. So this time around you align this one with the very well. So now you click finish. So when I click finish, you see what we've done here. So you see we added a little breadth to this. Now we are going to go further by selecting this and say edit it. We are selecting the external one. So go back to foundation. So select internal. So you go back to foundation, then start the grass properly. Let the grass be here. So you do some grasses here as well. Okay, now I click finish. So select this one again. And say edit. So on this place, you click. So this is going to be, it will be a joke to you. So just like select all those things and cover it up here. You click finish. So when I say click finish, you see that now car can pass on this and come here like this. It does not matter. So you click here and see how the landscaping look like. So it is not over. So what you don't need now is to get a plant and start planting on it. First, let's use this one. Go to foundation and say create similar thing. Look at the height in which they are doing. So 200 to be high. If that is what you want to do. So you plant like 2 or 3. Let's say 3. So you omit. Then you give a space, copy, set from here, then move here, then move it again, move it more, and then you top it last. So when you look at it from 3D, see, that's how you get a view that pleases you. So this one look like a track to you. It's not over. Still continue with the process. So now you select from here. Just select the 3 together. This one. So you click and you say go to foundation. So you copy from here and you start dropping them at the position like this. So after you're done with this, just copy so that you'll be able to select them together and position them where you want to position them. So I'm going to pick from here now, drop it here, Drop from here and drop here. So come here and put some here. You can now rotate. After you do that, just move. Yes. So under here, you can select this one and spread it. Right, this one, spread it as well. So the grasses will make the whole thing look more ideal. So now you get that in place. So what else? Can go and do whatever you want to do. So what I need next to do is that I will just go to foundation and go and bring let's say human being like this. You can drop one here. So you get now when you drop it here, you click this and you increase the height to 1000 so that stay above. Go to 3D and see for yourself. So here you stay above there. So now you go back here, then you say order in place. Now this time around I'm going to bring, let's say, AC for that matter. So you can just like select for as many as you want. Just like put them around. So stop there. So look at it again. You see, feel the position. You are not even seeing it. So it depends. You can select all instance in this view. In the view. And then the next thing you do, you pick the host and push it up to, let's say, 800. So I'll be able to see better. You know, sometimes AC do hang. So instead of staying on the plane level. So we're done with that aspect. So come here and say bring a vehicle or vehicles of your choice. So let's say that this SUP, just want to pick only one. So SUP, I'm packing SUP here. I'm packing another one. So escape. The thing with that, you can see something be written that have been done. You can put this one to the back. And go back there and see. Okay, speak for me. See this one there. See this one. And change this one to another one. So let's see how to answer this. So see it on 3D and you discover that you look cool. So the environment is being built, a little bit on landscaping and walkway. All those things are very necessary when you are designing for your project. So this is good and this is nice. So from there, you see you in the next video where we're going to make more entertaining projects. God bless you.